Hello guys, welcome back. Jimdel-Edu, we're back guys for another tutorial. This time this is part 28. Part 28 in this project. Okay. Part 27 we left here. We left on part 27. We did create this is the conversation based. And then now we are going to put everything in the position, okay? And now we are going to add some CSS to make sure it's look pretty, looks good. Without further ado, let's do it. The first thing, I'm going to take all these three icons and all these three right here, and then we'll move it on the right upper corner here. And this line for the date, last seen, also for this phrase, sentence right here, I'm going to center this, and then we will put all of our emoji list in one location. This is what we are going to do, and then I'm going to keep this tutorial as short as possible, guys. Open your code editor. Let's continue. Okay, now we're here inside admin. Open admin.css. Admin.css inside admin folder. All right, let's continue. Let's add in. Okay. Now I'm going to put this guy right here. We're working on. Let me show you. This is the put. I'm going to say this is the conversation area here. Now you might get an idea on. Okay, the first thing, let me show you. We will take these three. This one is for archive. If you click on it, it says, "Are you sure you want to archive this conversation?" You will no longer be able to reply to it. If you once you archive a conversation, you will no longer get to reply to that conversation anymore, unless the user sending you a new request. These are for the view profile of the user. Now you click on it. Okay, let's go back, and then hit X to close. Okay, and also this is a text area. This is where to choose your file. Okay. All right. Now the first thing I'm going to say, working on two things. Let me put it here. The first thing is request section and users online. All right. Users online that info. Let me move this here, and let me try to make this a bit bigger for you. P items item P. Okay, now we go to the next line. Make this a bit bigger. Request info items item P. Okay, now we need the margin of 0. Let me give you the font size of 16. A good 4 0. Okay, this is our first. Okay, here. Now, what we can refresh, save everything, and go here, refresh. Okay, we will not see anything here. We have to add a more more line of code. Okay, next, users online info. This one is for the close profile. This is the close profile here on this tree. Okay, request. Now, let's say I'm going to display flex align self. Second one here, flexed and align items. I want it to be in the center. Also remove the bar, the underline text decoration none. Justify content center. Color. I'm going to give it a background color. This is my color here. F6, 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 and give it F7. Okay. We need the passive background color. We need the color as well. Give it a B7, BA, and then C0. I'm going to give it a border radius of 50 pixels. Oops. Not opacity. We need I'm going to give the padding of 10 pixels and a width of 30 pixels. Our height to be same height, same width. And the margin white 20 pixels. Okay. Now let's I'm going to add another block of code before we save everything. We still saving, but before I refreshing the browser. Alright. We can still do it. Save everything, and then let's go back here and refresh and see what we got. So far, I still got the same thing, and then let's add a few line of code. Yeah, see where we at. Now, keep using users online. I'm using still. You should work with the close profile, and let me put okay. Okay, and now give it a color of and the background color as well. Here is the color ED 1, 2, 3 F. Okay. Users online. Now for the message for the message. messages. Okay, now give it a width of the full width 100% and a height of same value. Okay, user online messages. Now for the working with the chat header, okay, request chat header. Okay, I'm going to display this one flex and the padding of 10 pixel. Border bottom not too big, 1 pixel solid, and then is the color F0, F1, F2. Now we can save everything from here and go ahead, refresh the page. Okay, now you see, now we got these three up. They were over here, now they're up, and we move them on over here on the right up. Okay, users online messages, we need a chat header. Now for the using, yes, we need a profile image. Oops. Okay, profile image. Now let's take let's see, for the conversation, and then profile image, request, we need a width of 30 pixel, height same thing, give it a font size of 14 pixel. Yes, now let's save everything, see what we got, guys, and here refresh and go back. Now we're gonna make this a little bit smaller. Maybe make this one a bit smaller. Okay, users online messages, we have the chat header and profile image, okay, now we can make it simple, guys. Copy this line and go to the next line, paste it, and then remove our conversation. Oops. Let's put a request message, chat header, profile image, and here, yep, width of 30 pixel, height of 30 pixel. Okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pretty much copy this block of code. Okay, let's do it this way. I have to do it this way and paste it here. And now I'm going to make some changes. Keep this, keep messages, keep this. Profile image, remove image, we put I. Remove image, we put I here. Do the same for this over here, put I. And we have request message, okay. And then now we have to change, top, that working on the top. This is for the space right here, and top for pixel. Let's give it a width of 8. We double at top 4, and I'm going to let's double it. Okay, give it a 4 with 8. Oops, remove this, and left 1 pixel. We need height 8. Let's give it a border 1 pixel solid. Okay. Messages, chat header, details, and messages. Okay, chat header. Okay, yes, we have messages, chat header, and all right. And here we have request, messages, chat header, and details right here. All right. And now I want everything to I'm going to say flex 1. All right, so let's see. Okay, now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to copy this block of code, copy this one, and paste it here. I'm going to make some changes. Let's see, users online messages, chat header, details, and after details, let's put h3, the header 3, and keep conversations, messages, and then okay, message chat header, and then after details here as well, let's put h3, request, messages, chat header, details, put h3 here. Okay, and now I'm going to change the color of okay. We need a font with 500, and give it a font size of 14. Alright, next, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to do the same thing. Copy this block of code, paste it here, and let's make some changes. Users online, messages, chat header, this is fine. Now I want you to remove h3 and let's replace it by p. Conversation message, chat header, remove h3 here, let's put p. Request message, chat header, let's put p, and I'm going to give it a margin here, margin of 0, and a font size of 14. Give it a margin of 0, and we need a font size 14. Remove font weight. Alright, let's remove this. Alright. Next, what I'm going to do, pretty much I'm going to do the same thing. Copy this block of code. Okay, copy this block of code, and now we will make some changes. Paste it. Users online, messages, chat header. Okay, now I want you to remove chat header here, and as well as the detail p. Remove it. We should get messages, and oops, that chat messages. Okay. Messages, chat messages, conversation messages, and then remove here. Let's put chat. Let's put chat messages. Keep request messages, and last part, let's put chat messages. Okay, here. Now, I want everything to display flexed, and the flex flow should be column. Give it a width of a full width 100%, and the height of, I have to calculate the height. This I'm going to say 100. Calculate the height 100%, minus 18, 180 pixel. Yeah, pixel. Oops. All right. Okay, and then give it a padding of 15. Flex grow 1. Using a flex basis 0, and any of, oops, yes, any of come on, any overflow y axis to be auto, and for the scroll bar, not scroll, yeah, I want this scroll because once we got the message, we chatting here on the message, we have to we need a scroll on this side, a scroll bar on this side, but we want it to be as small as possible. That's why we get a width of, we're gonna say thin like this. Okay, it's just scroll bar. Yep. Yeah. Okay. Okay, and next, guys, okay, what I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to copy this block of code and make some changes quick. Make some changes quick here. Paste it. Okay. Make some changes. Users online messages, keep it. Chat messages, keep it. And after chat messages, oops, let's put that date. Okay, we put date, and keep conversation messages, chat messages. After chat messages, space, put date. Okay, and keep request messages, chat messages, and I want you to put that date right here as well. Now let's see which one I'm going to keep. I'm going to keep okay, remove this. I'm going to keep the padding 15, and yeah, let's remove it pretty much everything. Okay, keep padding 15, give it a margin 0. I want the text to be all the text, I want them to be aligned text, align in the center, and then give them a font size of 12 pixel, and is the color here. Okay, put 88 and put all right, and the font weight should be not too big, not too small, 500. Okay, and now, guys, we can go ahead, save everything, and refresh the page. You can see here, this is small. Now we put this on the top. Now you can see we put this on the top, and then this is in the center, and this is the position, this is the picture, profile picture, and then this is the name, this is the date, last thing for the date, and then we have to move this here and then keep this in the center. Now I'm going to try to hide all of our emoji list. All right, let's do this right now. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do to hide our emoji list, yes, working with the same thing, oops, that users online, that messages, okay, we have chat header, also we need actions, okay. Now because remember the the emoji list belongs to the precept list, okay, and that's why we say precept list. We saw that in the main when we created main that PHP, when we're creating main.php, and this is what we passed. Let me go ahead and oops, sorry, I can't message API. Home admin.js. Okay, now let's go back to admin.css. Users online, same thing, and then messages, chat header, actions, and then now this is what we call our emoji list, okay. User online, messages, chat. This is our third user online, messages. Let's remove the, we don't need, let's see, we don't need the messages. We should get, this is a for the chat input, yeah, for the chat input message, also the action required, and we have the precept list, okay. Users online, messages, the the chat input message, actions, oops, this is the emoji list, okay. Now we have our users online, let me go back 1 second. Users online, let me go back to check request, okay. Now we go back to message, okay, it's good, and okay, let's go back. Okay, now we have talk about the conversation at this time. After the conversation, we got still got keep the, we have to keep the message and go let's back with the chat header and actions required. Oops, we get the actions required, and we have the precept list. Oops. Conversation that messages, conversation that messages, and then we have chat header. Let's see, well, okay, now we have oops, to close space, actions, space that, and now we have emoji list, okay. And next we have conversations, okay. Message, let me try to do something for you guys. We have 4 from each. We have let me separate let me show you something. After that, I'm going to put all together. We have 1 2 3 4. We're on 2 3 4, and let me show you something quick. Yes, space. Now we have chat input. Now we have chat input message space, and then now we have action, and after actions we have emoji list. Actions. Oh, no, in third one here we have chat input message actions. Yes, here we have copy. Yes, we have preset list. Yes, and fourth we have what I can do. Let me do it this way. Copy last one here, last fourth, copy and paste. Remove users online. Let's put conversations. Okay, we put conversation message chat. Message chat input message action emoji list. Okay, now let me put it this way for you, and then now this is what I'm going to call request, and do it the same way. Let me do it this way. Copy this for, paste here, and remove conversation. Keep it this way, and let's put request. Okay, we're gonna put, let's gonna put I'm going to put okay, let's put request. Now we have request messages. Oh, I want you to fix header, guys. Yes, we made a mistake on chat header. I want you to remove the R. Wow. Chat header on both 1 and 2. Okay. Yes, chat header. Yeah, it's supposed to be header. But we put R. Yeah, we have to fix everything. Yeah, we don't have to get too many errors. Okay, action, preset list, and then emoji list. Okay, now we have it like this, guys. Let's move everything together, all together. Okay, and then here the last one, I want you to remove the comma space. Okay, now I'm going to say display everything none, and give it a padding 5 pixels. Oops, 5 pixels. Okay. Let me make this bigger so that you can see. Now you cannot miss it, guys. All right, see that? Now you cannot miss it. Okay, you cannot miss it, guys. Yes, after padding, I'm going to give you the border radius for pixel. Oh, come on. Okay. This is a minimum height, 150, and max height. Oops, yeah, max width supposed to be height. Okay, 150 as well, pixel. Oh, and next line we need any overflow. We have to hide everything, and overflow. Why it should be auto, and I'm going to give it a background color. Let's put white. Okay, put it this way. Oops, come on. Okay, we'll put white. Let's see next. I'm going to place it in the position. It should be absolute, and this is the bottom. Let me calculate 100 set minus 10 pixel. Okay, and now all right, 0, yeah, give it a box shadow here. Oops, not done. One, oops, come on, 1 pixel. All right, and last part, we change it to 0.1. Okay, change it to 0.1, guys. All right, I can make it a little bit smaller if you want. Yeah, this is the. All right, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to save everything and then let run the program. Refresh it, by the way. Refresh the browser. Okay, now you got a better idea now what we did. Now you don't see the emoji anymore. They're here, but only one left. That's fine. We will fix that. And here we got the message area. We have the can choose any file, and then now we send her this, and then now we have to move this three icon over here. But the picture here is fine. It's fine. The name and then the last scene for the date. That's fine. It's okay right now. We have to fix everything. So guys, and this is where I'm going to stop for part 28. That's why I told you that before. I'm going to keep it as short as possible. I don't want you to miss anything. All right, and this is how to make. Now you got a better idea. I will fix this and it will look a bit different. All right, so yes guys, this is where I'm going to stop. So in the next tutorial we will add in more CSS and finish it, guys. So thank you for watching. So if you are new, don't forget to subscribe, like, share. And if you want to see more tutorial, guys, this project is really interesting and very important as well, and that's why I'm spending some time making it. I know you will benefit of it. And let me know, drop a comment in the comment box section. Let me know what do you think, if you want to see more and so on. All right, see you in the next one for part 29. All right, bye bye guys.